Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will show you how the order form feature works on the mobile device. Open the app on your device and tap the order form feature. You'll be redirected to the login page. If you already have an account, then sign in, else sign up. For now, let's sign in. Once you have signed in, you'll be redirected to the order form screen. Now let's place an order. Tap the create new order button to place a new order. Just to inform you, the form fields as defined from the backend will be displayed here. Now let's fill up the order form and place an order. Enter your name, phone number, email, and address in the respective fields. Next, in the order field, enter the order items ranging from groceries, medicines, to other essentials that you want to order. From here, you can upload an image of the list of your order items. Once you have created an order, tap submit and your order request will be submitted. Now you'll be redirected to the order screen. Here you can check the list of orders and order details. From here you can search and filter your orders. As you can see here, the awaiting invoice status. This will change as soon as the app owner requests payment and uploads invoices for the order items from the backend. Next, tap the Order tab to view the complete details of your order, including the order ID and the uploaded image. You also have an option to send an email or directly contact the app owner or seller for any query. Now let's go back to order screen. As soon as the app owner or seller requests payment, you can check the amount to be paid here. Tap Pay Now and you'll be redirected to the payment screen. You will see the amount to be paid. You can also preview the invoice of the app owner has uploaded from the back end. Now select a payment method to make a payment. Once you have successfully completed the payment, you'll be redirected to the payment confirmation screen where you can check your payment details and status. Similarly, you can place multiple orders ranging from groceries, medicines, to other essentials and pay money online with the order form feature. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.